Hey guys, it's Mr. H. I'm doing question 28 from the January 2026 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Basically, they've given us some data on students' test scores, and they want us to create a box plot using the number line that they gave us below. Now, I would go straight to the calculator. I know some people do this without the calculator. I'm not one of those guys. I go straight to the calculator. And here's what I've done. So I just went ahead and entered the data. I just called the column X. And then once I do that, I go to the data and statistics. Now down here, I'm going to put X, and you're going to see it creates a dot plot. I don't want a dot plot, so I'm going to go to menu, and then I'm going to go to plot type, and I'm going to change it to box plot. And then it's going to dynamically create the box plot. And we need 5 pieces of information. We need the minimum. We need quartile 1, we need the median or quartile 2, we need quartile 3, and then we need the maximum. All right, so those are our 5 pieces of data. So I'm going to write those on my page. Min is 70, quartile 1 is 83, median is 88. And then quartile 3 is 94. And then the max is 94 also. Well, no, I'm sorry. The max is 98. Sorry. Good thing I double checked what I wrote there. So the max is 98. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to try to recreate that on here. Now, they don't expect perfection, but try to be as close as possible. So I'm going to draw a tick mark here at 70. I'm going to draw, excuse me, a tick mark at 83, which will be about here. Actually, I think I can do a better job. It needs to be between 82 and 83. And then 88 is going to be here. And then 94 will be here. And then the max is 98, which would be here. So now all I'm going to do is there's one side, there's the other side. Now I'm going to draw a little line here, going to draw a line here, and boom, done. That's 2 points, guys. Pretty simple too. Once you get a box plot, by the way, if you have a calculator that allows you to create box plots, and let's say you have a question where they say, what's the interquartile range, or what's quartile 1, or what's the median, right? If you know how to use a calculator, even if you don't remember like, oh, what's quartile 1, what's minimum, what's the IQR, any of that, first, just put some numbers into your calculator. Just get like 5, 6 numbers, put into your calculator, and then go create your own box plot. And then when you get done with the box plot, just hover, right? Because this is the minimum, obviously. Quartile 1, median, quartile 3, boom. If they ask me for the IQR, I would say 94 minus 83. Boom, that's it. But I know I've done a little more than the question asked, but I just wanted you to see that if you know how to create a box plot, you should never miss these questions. You should never miss IQR or quartile 1, quartile 3, min, max, any of that. All right, I'm going to stop and post this.